Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing you along with a special room tour at stunning Fursat boutique stays in Sarsai of Kulu Valley in Western Himalayas. You won't believe our luck, due to some last minute cancellation, they have upgraded us. Unfortunately, we reached late in night due to Manali traffic, but before we dive in, let's rewind a bit. As soon as we reached down to Manali, we couldn't resist ourselves indulging in some roadside street food like corn and yummy golgappas. Now let's step up with the amazing apartment experience. As soon we enter, there is a huge living area. Check out this cozy couch, perfect spot to hang out with friends. TV is also there for entertainment. Moving right along, we have got awesome double deck and kitchen service area as well on the right side. It's very handy for whipping and quick bites. Moving towards left side, we have attached balcony with living room. We have also two more balcony with attached two separate rooms. Right now if you see, it's very dark, so you can't see anything, but stay tuned till the end. We'll share morning footage with amazing views. This is the first room and you can see how spacious the room is. Also the bathroom is quite roomy as well, so there is an ample amount of space in this room. There is also attached balcony and this is the roadside balcony, and this is the second room, very spacious and have huge window. It's morning time, rise and shine, and just look at this view. I can't think of the better way to start the day, surrounded by the beauty of Sarsai. As our trekking for Hamta Path start from this day, we had only one night staying there, but we had an amazing experience. We had amazing homemade breakfast as well. The owner is very welcoming. We also visited their Fursat cafe, where they have hostel option for staying anyone who are coming solo. If you are planning for Manali trip or ever in Manali and looking for some cozy offbeat place to visit, do check out this place. And thanks for joining, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, comment and do subscribe to my channel. Catch you in the next one. Bye.